Designed to be used for 2002 to 2004 Dodge Ram trucks, this harness is used to bypass the factory Infiniti sound system in vehicles without the hands-free capable option. You will want to check your rear view mirror for an icon of a telephone. If this icon is not present, the Metra 70-6512 is the harness for you. For vehicles with the telephone icon, please purchase Metra 70-6510. Product features: 204-inch long amplifier bypass harness, 122-pin power plug, 118-pin amplifier plug. Harness is plugged in at the factory amplifier and ran to the location of the aftermarket radio or the aftermarket amplifier. For 2002 to 2005 Dodge Ram, Infiniti system. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to install. Ram Infiniti amp bypass. Works perfectly if you want to bypass the Infiniti amp in Ram trucks. Easy to follow instructions. Not all wires are used for all vehicles.